Hi, this is Vanshika Rana, and these are my Balle Bolly shots. Well, I am a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle creator, and for me, confidence is my key. Well, at first, I was posting for myself, and then lately I realized that इस चीज़ में मैं बहुत आगे जा सकती हूँ. And one day, this brand approached me and they really liked my content. So I feel that was the turning point for me. And मुझे पता चला कि यही वो लाइन है जिसमें आगे मुझे जाना चाहिए. Well, lifestyle and skincare both equally, but skincare a bit more because I like when my skin glows and I like to, tell people about all the tips and tricks. Well, I would describe it as soft, glam, classy, minimalist, and with a touch of luxury. So I posted a simple skincare routine with no heavy filters, just real results, and people really loved it, which made me realize that authenticity always wins. A gentle cleanser, hydrating serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. And guys, sunscreen is non-negotiable, you have to apply it. Okay, so before saying yes to any sort of skincare or hair care collaboration, I always use it myself before because that is the reason why audience trust me. Well, the first one would be that oily skin doesn't really require a moisturizer. Guys, this is very wrong. And the second one is that people think that sunscreen is optional. No, it's not. It is very important. So we all know that Chandigarh is a city beautiful, and जब भी मैं कोई भी shoot करती हूँ, I make sure that the background it gives a European style vibe. Well, concept really works for me because it kind of sets up the mood. Well, a classic blazer, a fitted denim, and a pair of good heels always works. Well, I had this collaboration with an agency where I had to ramp walk for a brand. So it was a very good moment for me because in my college days I used to do ramp walks, and it made me realize that I had never stopped loving this thing. Well, I think that creators love their audience and understand them deeply. So a bit of creative freedom should be always given to the creators by the brands. So I really focus on the long-term growth instead of counting the daily numbers. When someone really says that I tried what you recommended, I think that really gives me this boost that okay, my hard work is paying off. Well, one thing is for sure that मैं कभी भी modeling and अपनी brand collaborations नहीं छोड़ूंगी, so I'll continue to do that. But definitely in 2-3 years, I am aiming to start up with my own beauty line. Heels any day. Sneakers or flats are also good, but वो confidence कहाँ से लाओगे यार? So heels definitely give me that kind of boost. Nude lipstick is okay, but bold red lipstick definitely gives you that power. Well, a golden hour day shoot for sure. I love both of them equally, but pictures really define the minute details. Ethnic wear any day because it truly explains who I am. कॉफ़ी बिफोर शूट एनी डे, बिकॉज वो एनर्जी कहाँ से लाओगे यार तुम. Well, since school days, my friends always say कि जो भी जिस पे भी you set up your eyes, you truly get it. So yeah, they use the word ambitious for me. Well, a lip gloss for that confidence, a compact because I really have an oily skin, and yeah, my spectacles because people think that I look cute in that. Well, I feel that short reels really work better than long reels. Well, recently I just discovered that I'm a beach baby because I went to Goa for the first time. And yes, so beach vacation any day. So my love for all the influencers is wholesome, but one day maybe I would love to collaborate with Raj Shamani. I really love his podcast and I really wish कि मैं एक ऐसे level पे पहुंच जाऊं where he calls me in his podcast. Thank you so much for having me, Balle Bolly, and I really loved to be a part of this amazing segment. Thank you.